Maria always wanted to travel. Every night, she looked at photos of beautiful cities on her phone and thought, one day, I will go there. That day finally came in March. She was 30 years old, and she had a plane ticket to London in her hands. The night before the trip, Maria could not sleep. She checked her bag 3 times. Passport.
Check.
Phone charger.
Check.
Euros. Wait, she needed pounds, not euros. She laughed at herself and made a note on her phone. The next morning, she woke up at 4 o'clock. Her alarm said 4 a.m., but she was already awake. She took a shower, made a quick coffee, and called a taxi to the airport. The driver was a quiet man. He did not talk, and Maria was happy about that. She was too nervous for conversation. At the airport, everything was big and loud. There were people everywhere. Maria looked at the signs on the walls. Departures. She followed the word. She checked in her bag at the counter, and the woman there smiled at her. Have a great trip, the woman said. Maria smiled back. Thank you, she said. Her voice was small, but she said it in English, and that felt good. The security line was long. Maria took off her shoes, put her bag on the belt, and walked through the scanner. A man in a uniform looked at her. She felt nervous for no reason. He nodded. She was fine. She put her shoes back on and walked to the gate. Gate 14. She found it, sat down, and took a deep breath. Around her, people read books, looked at their phones, or slept in the chairs. A little boy near her was eating a sandwich and looking at her with big eyes. She smiled at him. He smiled back and then looked away. On the plane, Maria had a window seat. She loved it immediately. When the plane started to move, her heart moved too.
Fast. Up.
The city below her became smaller and smaller, and then there were only clouds. White and soft, like a dream. The flight was 2 hours and 40 minutes. She watched a movie, drank orange juice, and ate a small bag of pretzels. Simple things, but everything felt special. When the plane landed at Heathrow Airport, Maria looked out the window at the gray sky. It was raining. Of course it was raining. It was London. She laughed quietly to herself. She followed the other passengers, showed her passport to the officer at immigration, and collected her bag. Then she walked through the doors and saw a big sign that said, "Welcome." The airport was full of people speaking English, Portuguese, Arabic, Chinese. So many languages. So many lives, all moving in different directions. Maria stopped for a moment in the middle of all that movement. She was in another country. She was really here. She did not know all the words yet. She did not know all the streets or the trains or the customs. But she was here, and she was ready to learn. She took out her phone, opened Google Maps, and typed Central London. And she walked forward.